What's up guys, welcome back to my EDC series. Today we're looking at this Budi 9-in-1 multifunctional cable stick made for mobile devices. So I bought this for about £11 on Amazon, and yeah, let's open it up and take a look. So the reason I got this was just for compact EDC charging station kind of thing that I can charge lots of things. It also holds micro SD cards, which I use to record these videos. So TF card and SIM card not included. Multi-cable, six types of cable. SIM kit, TF card, memory something, can't read that. SIM kit, TF phone, cradle, long flight hands-free 1 second phone cradle that you can watch a movie. Not sure about that. So here is the instructions. Warranty card. So 9-in-1 stick, first push, then you pull after. So there's a tab that you push and then you pull it out. Key features: USB-C to USB-A, Type-C to micro adapter, Type-C to lightning adapter. Then there's 4 TF micro SD card slots, 2 SIM card slots, another micro SD card slot, and it's got a card reader. Well, that's pretty handy. Type-C to Type-C cable, and I think they're detachable, and they have the pin to open the SIM card tray, and multi-cable type. So these are all the combinations, 6 combinations. So USB-C, USB-C, USB-C to lightning, USB-C to micro, USB-A to USB-C, USB-A to lightning, USB-A to micro. And the phone cradle, that's what they say about the phone cradle. You can use it as a phone holder. And it is a card reader, so you can use it. Okay, so this is just an unboxing. This is the strap for easy to carry. I'm not sure if I'll be using that. Everything is in here. Oh, there's a scratch here. Where's that dirt? No, it seems to be scratched up, but it was brand new. So you push the, well, this is all metal, plastic here, metal. So it's the push, and then you pull this out. Very nice. Does this come out completely? I thought it came out completely. The phone cradle thing is kind of weird. What does it mean by that? I'm trying to figure out the phone cradle because I'm interested if it will actually hold my phone. Okay, so it says here, oh, this pulls out like so. I don't think this is going to work very well. Oh, surprisingly, it does work. Let's see if it goes vertical. Wow, vertical as well as horizontal. Okay, impressed by that. So it just pops out here at the very bottom. Push this open. It does not come out completely. Your SD card slots, 2 nano SIMs SD card slot, card reader there. We have the USB-C cable here. So the cable comes out completely, and it's USB-C to USB-C, and then we have USB-A, USB, no, this is the micro, and this is the lightning. And then we have, really hard to take out, and then we have the pin for pin for your SIM card. That is quite handy. So I'm just going to connect these. Yep, they all seem to connect fine. Pretty handy. I'm just going to test them on the other side as well. USB-C. Don't have to worry about which orientation you need. Cable's pretty good. Die-cast metal on these parts, which is pretty good quality. So this is for about £11. Pretty heavy for what it is. Let me try look at some specs. So it is 19 by 8 by 2.6 centimeters when it's closed, and it's 100 grams, pretty heavy in terms of EDC. They could have made this out of all plastic, but some people like this matte finish. And reviews 4.2 out of 5. Very good, compact, well made. No reviews there. Let's look at the lower stars. No reviews. No reviews. No reviews. So the next video that I'll do would be to test the cables working. Let me just put this back together and see. The thing that worries me about this is, just say you're traveling on a plane, how easy is it to pull this out and put it all together? These are going back in a lot easier than I had to take them out. There's a bit of resistance there on the cable. Quite nice. And if you want to use, actually that's going to be a problem. If you want to use, so there's 2 holes there, so you'd connect the strap into there. Let me try and see if I can just quickly. These are always a pain. So the problem here would be that this may obstruct your phone when you're using it as a phone stand. Yeah, I need a pin or something, which there is a pin in here, so I could do it, but it would attach here, and then it may hinder, may not hinder, because it's quite skinny anyway. Yeah, this is pretty good. Pretty good. Quite fidgety as well. Alright guys, there we have it. That is the Budi 9-in-1 multifunctional cable stick. This is just the first look and unboxing. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.